Hey guys, welcome to Diction Corner with Miss Comfort. This video, we're going to be looking at the short sound of the letter A. The short sound of the letter A is a little bit unique because it makes the sound of two sounds combined. The sound it makes is eh, eh, eh. It looks as if you're trying to pronounce the A and the E sound. This sound can appear at the beginning of a word or at the middle of a word. On your screen, you see some words that begin with the sound. Now let's look at the first word. Act. Act, not act. Ax. Ax, not ax. Admit. Admit. Answer. Answer. After. After. Application. 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 Now we're going to look at words that the short sound of the letter A appear in the middle. The first word you're seeing on your screen here is chance. Chance. The next word is staff. 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 Plan. 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 Then we have attack. 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 Exam. Class. Class. Thank you for listening. Bye bye. See you next time in another video.